Uh, Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostra Thomas. I am the bombist. I'm actually in one of those moods. I did some moves like Jagger on my fantasy. I did some moves on my fantasy football team. I was on pace to have the highest score of the week. 2 minutes to go. I'm up like 0.25 of a point. The dude's defense gets him a couple points. So I'm now 0-2, ready to give up. I know you guys don't care because you're nerds. You don't know anything about football. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, I got caught up in the throat. Ding, 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 ding. Let's pop on over to the desktop. We got a tight 30 today. We're gonna take a look at the market. Take a look at the Harmony One proposal. I actually don't hate it. I mean, I don't have huge high hopes for Harmony One, but I kind of dig the proposal. Gives it some hope. At the end of the day, I should have a bunch of Harmony One if it's ended up being worth something. You know what they say? Don't punch a gift horse in the mouth. Is that how the expression goes? All right, let's get the chat popped out. Is that how the expression goes? Don't punch a gift horse in the mouth. I feel like it's a little bit different. Now I gotta Google that. Man, that is the expression. That's a little bit violent. Uh, let's see. Why don't punch a gift horse? I mean, you shouldn't punch a horse in the mouth regardless, right? What did that poor horse ever do? That's something PETA should go after, is people that say that expression. Ruin anyone's lives that says, I mean, I'm somewhat sarcastically joking, but I don't have anything against PETA. I do have a thing against radical movements. Let's put it that way. For example, isn't this a crypto? Louis C.K. Look, is what he did right? No. Is it perverted? Yes, but I mean, is that really something we want to ruin someone's life over? I mean, come on, just put the guy in rehabilitation. It's not. Look, all right. Anyway, I know some women are gonna get offended. Uh, it's a bit of a gray area. Anyway, let's see what's going on with the stock market. Nasdaq's down 65. E-mini S&P's down 25. Gold continuing to go down $9. $1,674. What else do we have? Crude oil down $2 at $82 a barrel. The one bright side in this market right now, Bitcoin down a monster $775 since the Friday close. We'll take a look at the cryptos in a second. Trezor in the house. How you doing, brother? Harmony will recover faster than TLC. Then Tick? Does that say Tick or TLC? Is that the group TLC? What does that mean? TLC. Terra Luna is a joke, dude. How you doing, brother? Terra Luna is a freaking joke rug pull. All right. Tesla down, basically flat, Riot, blah, Palantir, blah. I just mentioned those because I have a little bit of money in those. Let's pop on over to the cryptos. What is Capo having? The cult of Capo? What has Capo got to say today? Forums, forum channels. Oh wow, they're adding forums to Discord. Oh no. Oh no. Wipe that pus up out your eye. Similar to ETH, a little bit lower. Quick scam pump. Now the scam pumps get to 20,000. He's expect. Oh, is this Bitcoin? Yeah, Bitcoin. Is it a good time to buy stocks? I'm not giving financial advice. You need to make your own decision on that. If you were to buy stocks right now, I ain't buying them, brother. I wouldn't be buying them right now. I don't know. I feel like we still need a huge capitulation, but it could be the bottom. We could look back and say we should have known this was the bottom, just like everyone did in COVID. Oh, it was obvious that was the bottom. If it was so effing obvious, I mean, why isn't everyone retired? So I don't think it's the bottom. I'm not like for me, the huge indicator when to buy is going to be when the Fed pivots. But I think that's a lot of people's idea. So there might be some front running on when they think it's going to happen. When do you think the Fed's going to pivot? Right. I don't fully expect these upcoming quarterly earnings to be anything great, but who knows? Maybe after the holidays, we got another rate hike coming. CPI data was bad. What are bonds doing? Bonds. Buns. 130 down a hair. Bonds go down, rates go up. Is bonds hitting a bottom? Maybe short term. But I think we got more pain, insane in the brain. Even through 2023, we got supply chain issues. COVID's still a thing. We got monkeypox getting out of control. I don't even know what's up with monkeypox. That shit over with. Wars. Um, People laying off. People having a hard time paying their phone bills. That's one thing people can't live without is their phone. I think a lot of people, if they had to choose between losing their phone and losing their house, they'd probably choose losing their house. That's how stupid people are these days. Uh, Eventually you're just gonna have phones like just implanted in your forearm and shit. Anyway, la di da di. Tesla just went green. Is the Nasdaq? Nope. What? Whoop whoop whoop. Let's see what's going on with crypto. Bitcoin's getting its ass handed to it. Bitcoin 18,860. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I was saying Retro. I was just getting ready to mention your name, Retro, in the house. How you doing, brother? Retro was a firm believer that we were going up right here. I don't know if he was being sarcastic or not, but it was obvious it was a dead cat relief rally. I'm all for head implanted phones. I'm really looking forward to what the future's so bright. I gotta wear AI shades. I'm really looking forward to AI. AI is gonna be the shit, dude. You're gonna be walking down the street to that hardcore beat while that JVC about breaks the concrete. If anyone knows that song, I will be super impressed. That is some old mother school right there. But it's gonna be an exciting future. I'll probably be 70 in one of those little like things, that you ride around. I'll need a Tesla robot to lift me off the toilet. But we're gonna have like augmented glasses. You're just gonna be walking around. Eventually you're just gonna have like augmented puppies, an augmented dog walking with you, maybe with your real dog. You're gonna walk around and you're just gonna get all kinds of data that you can turn on and off, like how fast is this car coming? Like what speed is it at? How much time you have to cross the road before you get murdered? Maybe even like warnings, like a bus People won't even be getting hit by buses anymore because they'll be like, "Hey, dumbass, beep beep beep. What? Get the f off the street. There's a semi coming." You walk by, you see a tree, you want to know what that is. You're like, "Hey," or it just automatically shoots it on the screen. This is a like a red Japanese maple. You're walking through the grocery store. You're like, you just look at an item, the price pops up. You can see your macronutrients, how many carbs, is it keto friendly? Is it got processed wheat? Is it gluten free? Um, yeah, I mean, what else can we do with some augmented reality? Obviously, porn. There's going to be some porn involved. Anyway, I digress. I want this to be a tight 30 and I'm off the rails and we haven't even got to the Harmony One recovery plan. So I'm failing this morning. We got ETH. Ooh, what a fall from grace. ETH $1,333. After recently pushing up on that 2K level, or actually it hit 2K. Is it time to buy ETH? It's looking pretty tasty. I think it's going to continue to go down. We got our boy MMA Euro 2016 wanting to buy ETH at like 500. I have a buy order for ETH at like 400 and some. I'm not gonna lie. ETH starts hitting below $1,000. We'll have to see. I don't know if that's what I'm ready to buy or not. It's going to depend on market conditions. Again, it's going to depend on the Fed. It's going to depend on what our boy, the cult of Capo, what Capo says. Solana. Like, what the F is going on with Solana? Why isn't Solana $20? Does Solana not know I want to buy it? But I don't want to buy it here. It's up 2%. Looks like Bitcoin's trying to pump a little. I wonder if the market's trying to turn around. Polkadot, $6.35. That's pretty bad for Polkadot. Harmony One. Uh, Harmony One not doing too good, even though they got a recovery plan out there. Atom. Atom is strong like MF Bull. How did Tutanka? Anyone ever seen that movie? What's it with Kevin Costner? What did she say? Tatanka? What did that mean? Bullshit or something? Tutanka? Is that what she said? God damn it. Look at this. I was bitching about this. Oh my goodness. To Tonka. I feel like that's what she said. To Tonka? Yeah, Buffalo. Strong like Buffalo. Is that what she said? What was that? What was the name of that movie? Kevin Costner? God damn it. Such a good movie. Long as shit though. Tatanka. Tatanka. Dances with Wolves. Tatanka. So tasty. He was a wrestler. What the hell, man? What are the first time a native Tatanka? All right. That was a bit of a look at freaking Adam, dude. Up 9%. Phantom doing okay. Near who gives a well, there's some green here. Avax, who gives a shit. Osmosis, $1.35. Matic, 75 cents. Here's another one I need to go down. Quant, Retro's favorite Quant. I quant interested, but it's at $103. Sandbox up a little. ApeCoin, meh. What is ApeCoin? $5.25. Every rose has a thorn. That rug pull Shitdora, Findora, now at 0.0042, headed barely holding on. It looks like it actually even might have touched 0.003. Had a low of 4. That one is ripping the face off of any suckers from the Harmony One ecosystem that bought into that hype shit. Cadena looking pretty tasty at $1.47. I think that's about the lowest I've seen that one. This is forming an octuple bottom. I don't know, like 37 touches around here. Actually, around $1.36 seems to be where it really bottoms out. I'm interested in picking up some Cadena. This is one of those ones I wouldn't mind getting a little bag of that. I mean, right now you could buy 1,000 of them for $1,500. I mean, this is not financial advice, and I'm not acting like $1,500 isn't a lot of money. Did I take a caffeine pill? I did. I was getting ready to take another one. I'm not saying $1,500 isn't a lot of money, but if this shit sees new all-time highs, you get a nice little 15 to, you get a nice little 15x in it. 1,500 to like 30,000. Maybe it goes beyond all-time highs. Maybe it doesn't. I don't hate Cadena. I don't love Cadena. I like it enough to buy it. I like the fact that they use Haskell. I like and dislike the fact that they can't, it's some bros from JP Morgan, right? I'm not really all aboard a JP Morgan train, but sometimes you bet on people that know how to get shit done, and people that come from JP Morgan, right or wrong, they know how to get some shit done. So, like, would you rather bet on someone that knows the ins and outs versus someone that doesn't? I can speak from experience, coming in from a business I tried to do a long time ago, and I got stomped on by the big guy. So, Cadena probably knows some big guys. Clayton, another rug pull, 19 cents. The only reason Clayton is even talked about is DeFi Kingdoms. I don't know. DeFi Kingdoms is kind of dead to me, to be honest. Like, I'm down to make some money. I'm down to check that shit in a year or so. And if I have some money over there, let's go. Let's go. Let's look at the Harmony One plan. Excuse me. Stranger in the house. How you doing, brother? Stranger danger. Stranger thinks Harmony One's to $1. Stranger's still living in 2021. Harmony One is probably not going to see $1 anytime soon. Feel free to smash that dislike button if you vehemently disagree with me. Excuse me. I can be wrong, but like, if anyone's running out to buy Harmony One right now, I think you're probably making a mistake. All right, let's take a look at the proposal. Again, I wish them all the best. I'm not really looking. I got some Ethereum over there. Still got my Harmony One on a validator. I don't, do we have to do something, or do we just get it? They have a proposal. Take a quick look at this. And the response, there's a Recovery One token. Recovery One community is made up of commitments to the commitment to a long-term working release. Whatever happened with this venture capital firm? What's going on with that shit? Let's see. Commitment to Bay Area Yacht Club and the use of those resources for the ecosystem growth. What happens if Bay Area Yacht Club stops growing? Commitment that bridges be non-custodial. That's their big thing. They want trustless bridges. Commitment, the proposed solution offers DPEG tokens in exchange for R1 tokens, which the user can redeem on a smart contract for the full value in one at the end of 3 years. And earn so I got 3 Ethereum over there. Maybe some other shit. So I'm going to get my R1. I'm going to stake it. I'm going to get 15%. I'm going to forget about it for 3 years and I'm going to see what happens. Again, I wish them all the best. If it turns into, I hope Stranger Danger is right. I hope it's $1, $2, $3. Who the hell knows? I mean, in 3 years, we should be like in peak or near peak Bitcoin bull run or the end of it. Going into now, we should be going into a nice little bull run. R1 will be 66% of parity. Horizon, 66% of the bridge date, 0.026. What happens to all the people that sold their shit? Stranger says I'm not cool. Why am I not cool? Because I disagreed with you or I said stranger danger? I'm kidding. See, R1 can be freely traded. You know what? Starting to get a little hype here. Maybe I'll even buy some R1. I don't freaking know. The end of the 3 years, users can redeem R1 1-to-1. I mean, 15%. If this can recover, that's not bad. But it's locked. So again, nah, I'm probably not gonna buy it. Initial one can be redeemed for 50% parity within 30 days of mint date. So you can redeem 30, you can redeem 50, you can redeem up to $1,000. I mean, why even? All right, this is kind of weird. You can get $1,000 at 50% value. I guess if you need money, I mean, I'm sure there's a lot of people that lost. I lost a lot more than $1,000, and this is 50 cents on the dollar and capped at 1,000. Redemption of R1 to 1 before that will result in partial. Partial redemption starts at 33% after 3 months. So after 3 months, you can get 33% of your money and increases 1-to-1 swap in 3 years. At the 3-year, users can redeem 1-to-1 for 1. So I'm just going to get my R1. I'm going to get 15% and I'm just going to forget about it. Why are we still talking about this dead chain? It's not, this is a decent recovery plan, Rhett, bro. It's a decent recovery plan. I'm actually somewhat impressed by it. There's an example. I'm not going to go through it. I just pretty much explained it. If you don't understand, it's probably over your head anyways. Up front, blah, 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 blah. So the contract's going to become available. Convert depegged asset Friday. Oh, wait. We got. Do we have to do something? Convert depegged asset. Stake R1 to vote. Do we need to do something? It says we have until Friday, September 23rd. Like, do I just automatically? I don't even know what the. Or is this a vote? Chad Knight in the house. Why am I a clown? Why am I a clown? Chad Knight, you piece of shit. Yeah, we remember Jam. Only because every time you come here, you bring him up. Well, I think we kicked the guy out of the channel. Dude, do we have to do something here? The early X cat per wallet. Snapshot date. To Vectic. Let's see. This is frustrating. We will deploy this and provide instructions on how to use it. Do we need to do anything right now to get the R1? Shit is confusing. How can we see if we're it's a dead chain. What do you care, Chad Knight? What do you fucking care? I don't know, bro. I'm asking in Discord, so yeah, you guys are too dumb to understand. Be sure to smash the like button. How many YouTubers calls their audience dumb? And you know what I'm saying? Uh, I'm just kidding, but seriously. No, I'm not touching Luna. I'm not touching Luna with your money, Chad Knight. I don't even know what's going on with Luna. Everyone keeps talking about it. I haven't even looked at the price. I'm not even sure how to check the price. I mean, this isn't. What is this? Luna C? He never said that, Chad Knight. Now, calm down. He said people were doing that and it was risky. He never said to do that. Like, this is what people are clamoring about. All right, let's see what Luna C's done. Yeah, like, I don't. What's going on? 0.0002 to, I mean, I guess people are making money over here. I'm not touching this shit. I don't remember. I think he considered buying a little or he bought a little, but he did say it was highly risky. I bought some Ethereum. Now he's going to get a bunch of Harmony One. It might, in 3 years, I mean, in 3 years, it might work out. Plus, he'll get 15%. What if Harmony One is $1, $2, $3 in 3 years? It's not out of the question, but I don't know. We'll see. Um, I don't know if they have anyone left on the dev team. I don't know if that community. There's a lot of who knows. I don't know if they have the same community support. I know Baby Pleb still loves him. He's like, please, Tom, don't put down your validator. I haven't pulled it down yet, but I'm just too freaking lazy. I got 10,000. This is I got 10,000 Harmony One over there. I want to figure out how to get off, but it's probably cheaper for me to just shut it down and throw that 10,000 Harmony One down the drain than it is, for the monthly cost. They're not. They're not. Excuse me. They're not diluting the supply. They're burning it somehow. It's in the plan. Like they're gonna give you R1 and a lot of it's gonna get burnt. Bro, I don't know. If what if crypto market cap hits like $12 trillion, bitch? And Harmony One's a top 50 chain. That's how. A lot of what ifs there. I mean, it may be too late. A lot of projects have left. Their top project has left. People may have given up. The majority may have given up. It's also, it's more, look, it's possible that it could be $2 or $3, but it's more likely that it ain't going to be worth shit. I'm not buying Harmony One. I'm not advising anyone to do shit because I'm not a financial advisor. But I don't think buying Harmony One's a good idea. I don't think buying R1's a good idea. I wish it the best because I might make some money. Anything's possible. I much more lean toward it being a failed chain at this point. Much more closely thinking but it's a decent recovery plan. That's all I gotta say. A lot better recovery plan that they were talking about in the beginning. So we'll have to see how it plays out. Let's fix a meeting next. What does that mean? Let's fix a meeting. When we all get, I don't want a Lambo. And where do you come in? Where do you come into my chat Are you trying to take over my chat, calling it the Chad room? What the hell, bro? It's big dick Chad night. All right, 7:02 a.m. We're at a tight 32. I've gone over the tight 30. We know what's going on in crypto. A little bit of a green spark. A little bit of a green spark. Bitcoin 19,000. Let's see what's going on in the stock market. Is the stock market turn around? A little. It was the Nasdaq was down like 50 plus. Now it's only down 40. The E-mini S&P, what was it, down 20 or 30? It's now down only 15. Basically flat. A little bit south of flat. Pretty boring. Tesla's trying to go green. Amazon's basically flat. What is Apple doing? Apple basically everything's boring ass market. Probably going to be a boring ass market this week. I would be more inclined. I think next week we got the Fed rate announcement. Is that this week? I think it's the last week of September. So it's probably going to be a boring ass week waiting for that to happen. I'd be more inclined to think Bitcoin gonna go down instead of up. I think Capo's still thinking there's going to be a scam pump. His scam pump was like 23,000. Now he's talking like a little over 20,000. And then Hammer. A little bit lower. Let's see. Quick scam pump. So he thinks Bitcoin's going to scam pump to 20,300. And then hammer down. He has a main target of 14 to 16K. Bitcoin at like 14 to 16K. It'll definitely pique my interest. Everyone, he makes these calls. Everyone expects it to happen this week. It could be 2 months from now, right? So just calm down. Have patience in Capo. The guy's usually right. In fact, I don't know. Like, he might be wrong about every now and then he'll try his little Babe Ruth home run shot saying, oh, we're going to, it's coming, the hammer's coming now. He gets a lot of his short-term stuff. He might be off a little, but over the long term, the guy is pretty much batting 1,000, which is unheard of. Anyway, hope you all have a great day. It's Monday, back to the salt mines, back to the coal mines. For the people that work Monday through Friday. Hope you all have a great week. I will be back 6:30 a.m. PST. Be there. You're an FS Square. I love you all. Peace.